Macdaddyjosh, it's Macdaddyjosh with another video. Today, guys, we're gonna be chugging another Coke right here. So we're gonna be chugging another Coke. Nice cold one. Sorry, I heard someone on my stairs. So let's get this chug started, shall we? Let's go. It's so calm. So calm. It's good, but it's cold. Burps don't want to come out. The gas just builds up in the system. It's like a chain reaction. So then, are we finished? Yeah. Good old Coke. Okay, like, share, subscribe to. Share, like, subscribe to Macdaddyjosh, and share, like, subscribe to Macdaddyjosh, and like this video. Go sub to my channel, Macdaddyjosh. Follow my Snapchat, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok. If you guys want more Chug videos, just comment down in the comments and let me know what Chug video you want me to do, and I'll do it. Sorry I haven't done this in a while. I've been senior year in high school and my job, so I'm doing more videos. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this video. So this is Macdaddyjosh with the Chug's videos. Macdaddyjosh out.